Are you ready to enter the children's bathroom? The kids have been so excited because over the last 3 weeks, I have told them that they don't have to clean their bathroom. Why? Because we want it to look used and a hot mess. Because what our kids do, they clean their own bathroom and they use Norwex. This is how they house all their Norwex. So they come in and they clean their own bathroom, but it hasn't been cleaned for 3 weeks. So today we are going to clean the sink. Here's the tools that I am going to use to clean their sink today. And yep, that right there, my friends, is fingernail polish. Not sure how long that has actually been there. Let's check out the sink. Does anybody else have a sink like this? Can you relate to what we're getting ready to do? So it's toothpaste goo. It is soap scum. It's lime deposits. It's that stuff that goes around the ring, right? There's stuff that is on the edge around here. All right, let's start with the inside of the sink. Since this is so gross and caked on, I am actually going to use an Enviro scrub. So this comes in a pack of 3. It's actually got a very small sponge inside. I love that it's quilted because that sponge doesn't move around. It's the size of my hand, but this is what I like about it. So on the back side, there is a scratchier material on there. I already got this wet with water. I'm going to be using our bathroom cleaner. Now I have already diluted this. This is very concentrated, so I diluted it 1 part bathroom cleaner to 7 parts water. And we put it in the blue bottle for our daughter just because it's a good visual for her to use. But I really love using the glass all-purpose spray bottle because it holds a lot, and I just like that silicone rim at the bottom. It doesn't slip around, and I like to be able to squirt and spray, but this one is not as heavy for her hands. So you're going to use the scrubby side, and you are just going to easily scrub all that out of your sink. Again, my cloth is just wet with water. And then I'll flip my cloth over and I'll wipe it all nice and clean. Look at that, look how easy that was. Now let's get to work on this rim. I'm going to use the cream cleaner and the utility brush. And the reason I like the utility brush is it has this little soft tip at the end that can get in cracks and crevices, and the bristles are very, very stiff and strong. Use the tip of that brush and you can already see all the gunk that is coming out of there. You can really get in there. Gross. Look at that. So gross. I love this brush to be able to get into cracks and crevices. Then you can take the stiff part and you can just do a little bit of scrubbing. Look at all that junk that came out. And it only took a dot. of the cream cleaner. Inside of the sink is all clean. Now we're going to tackle that. My EnviroCloth is already wet with water. So I am going to mechanically pick up all of that toothpaste, those deposits. I'm picking up 99% of bacteria left on that surface. Then I'm going to get my window cloth that is dry, and I'm going to have a streak-free shine. In between each job, I like to clean out the cloths so that they're ready for the next part of the sink. So all you do is turn the water on, you rub the cloths against themselves so that it can release everything that you've picked up. You wring it out, and then it's ready to go for the next job. The final part's super easy, you guys. All you have to do is take everything off of the counter first, and then I'm going to be using the EnviroCloth wet with water, the dry purple window cloth, and then I'm going to be using the bathroom cleaner that's diluted. Last thing I need to tackle is the fingernail polish. So I'm going to be using the cleaning paste and the Enviro scrub. I love the sink organizer because there are so many options to use it in your bathroom, in your kitchen, in your office. Our kids just choose to use it this way.